Hey guys, so today I'm filming my everyday makeup routine. So I just want to show you guys how I give myself a little light beat. I'm going to first start off by cleaning my face with just a wipe. I did my skincare routine already, but I just want to wipe, make sure there's no dirt on my face. Okay, look at my nails. They're the cutest thing. They're mood changing and they turn like green then blue, and sometimes it's like halfway green, halfway blue. So now I'm taking my e.l.f. primer Aqua Mist, and I like this primer because I have dry skin, so I need to keep like refreshing my skin and make sure like I have a wet primer because my skin is just so dry. So now I'm going to be doing my brows. I'm using the Anastasia Dip Brow and just this duo brow brush from e.l.f. I'm going to do my brows off camera. I do have a tutorial on my page on how I do them. So if you want like an in-depth demonstration, you guys can go watch that. So now I'm going to be taking my Morphe 350 palette, and basically when it comes to eyeshadow, I'm really simple. I just do like 2 different browns and that's about it. So now I'm going to take my eyelash curler, curl my lashes, and I'm going to put a little bit mascara on them before I put my mink lashes on. So the lashes I'm going to be putting on today are from my lash collection. They're called Nerve Cells. I'll put the link down below for you guys to shop. And then I have some glue and just the tweezer. A lot of people ask me how to put on lashes, and honestly, I'm not perfect. I might make a video on how, I'm not sure. Now I'm doing some color correcting. I'm just applying that underneath my eyes, my dark spots. I'm going to be taking a damp beauty blender and just blending it out. Obviously, you're still going to see the orange after you blend it out, but now it will be more dull. So now I'm just spraying my face with some Mario Tedesco spray, and I'm taking my foundation brush. I got it at like TJ Maxx, I don't know the brand. And the foundation I'm using today is my MAC Pro Longwear Nourishing Waterproof Foundation in C45, and I'm just going to apply that all over my face. So then I'm taking another beauty blender and I'm spraying it with some Morphe setting spray, and I'm just going to blend all that foundation in together so you cannot see the foundation basically and the red color corrector. So now I'm taking my MAC Pro Longwear Concealer in the shade NC42, and I'm using this to highlight. So then I'm going to take a brush and blend out first, and then I'm going to take my beauty blender and blend out again. I'm going to make sure that these are sprayed with the setting spray also while I'm doing this. So now I'm going to take my Laura Mercier translucent setting powder, and I'm only going to put a little bit because I don't really like using powder at all because I have such dry skin, but I'm just going to use a little bit. Then I'm going to spray my face with my Morph setting spray just to kind of re-wet it, give it some wetness so it's not dry. And now I'm taking my bronzer. It's the Morph bronzer called Blogger. I did drop it a few times, so it's all like crumbled up. I definitely need to get a new one. So I'm just going to use this to contour. So now I'm going to take my eyeliner. I got this at the dollar store, and I'm just going to put eyeliner on my waterline. And then I'm going to take my Benefit They're Real mascara and just put some mascara also on my bottom lashes. And do you notice how my face is, like, my mouth is always open and I kind of look like a fish or something? So now I'm going to be taking this Ofra highlighter called Rodeo Drive. I got this in one of my Ipsy bags, and I'm just going to be putting that on with my e.l.f. highlighter brush. So now I'm taking my Too Faced Melted Latex High Shine lipstick, and it's just a clear gloss, and I'm just putting that on. And then I'm going to take my Morph setting spray, just give it a great spray, and then we're done here. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Please subscribe. I'm going to try to be more consistent. I've been slacking. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.